how to get more views on SoundCloud. Hello, welcome once again. In today's video, you will learn how you can get more views on SoundCloud. Now, here are the following tips that you can try. First of all, you need to tag your tracks with relevant genres, moods, and artist names. Uploading your tracks, the way you upload your tracks, rather, will go a long way in determining if the plays would skyrocket or not, if you would get more views or not. So, when uploading your tracks, ensure you use relevant tags, you use include mutes, and then you make use of the description field. Most times, most artists leave the description field blank, which isn't supposed to be. So while uploading your file, ensure you add a very good artwork. This would be the first thing that would attract the viewers. Okay. And choose the right genre, don't make a mistake, add relevant tags, add descriptions, make it public, not private. If you want to get more views, click upload and then you are good to go. This is the first step you need to take to get more views. Secondly, share your music on social media, on Discord, on forums. Ask your friends and family to also reshare, to repost on your behalf. Maximize your social media platforms, all right, to really go a long way. Then, thirdly, what you should do is to use repost exchange and collaborate with other creators. Collaboration with other creators also goes a long way. This is because the audience of your collaborator would get to know you and might also want to follow you and check out you to check out your music. Then, lastly, create playlists and upload consistently. The internet only knows those that are consistent, that keep showing up, so you have no choice not to show up if you want to get more views. All right. So keep creating playlists, keep uploading consistently, and not just any kind of uploads. Ensure your uploads are of high quality, and I bet you your hard work would yield results very soon. Okay. And that is it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.